Hi there, this is Mila. I thought I'll just speak on video. One simple concept that I would love to communicate the way that you can take it on, understand it. The creative process of creating revenue is the same like creating a picture, creating any. It starts with the mind, with the vision of what you want to create, and it can be like a stew or any cooking creation, or it can be beautiful piece of work. And when you realize that the approach to creating revenue as artist is the same approach as applies in creating piece of work, of art, or any other creation. It starts with image in the mind, and then it goes to the inspired action, thinking about what we need, the brushes, in my case, I'm using the silk, or any other materials. And then we move into inspired action that results in the final creation. And the same thing is about your success. You need to create this image in your mind and get the vibe going, because always relate when you think about the money that you are getting for your work and the feeling creating the work. It must be the same high vibration feeling. And many of us drop when the sales come in mind. So this is my message to you. If you can embrace it, you are in the best place, and then you can just relate. How do I feel about it? And move it up. Okay.